In this video, we'll demonstrate how to turn off sensitive content on X. But before we dive in, I'd like to invite you to hit that like button if you're excited to learn how to manage sensitive content on X, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Your feedback helps us create better content for you. Let's get straight into the steps. Unfortunately, at the moment, X doesn't allow changing this setting within the app. To proceed, close the X app and open a web browser on your device. In the web browser, type x.com into the address bar and sign in to your X account. Once signed in, tap on your profile icon, usually located in the top left corner of the page. Scroll down and click on Settings and Privacy to expand the section. Next, select Privacy and Safety from the options. Under your X activity, tap on Content You See. You'll find the option at the top labeled Display Media that may contain sensitive content. Enable this option to allow sensitive content to be shown on X. That's it. Once you've made this change, sensitive content will be displayed on X. You can now return to the X app and start viewing the content without any restrictions. If you found this tutorial helpful, please take a moment to like, comment, and subscribe to Media Magnet Guide for more insightful content. For additional tutorials and valuable guides, visit our website at MediaMagnetGuide.com.